Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the TikTok Creator Rewards program. This program is designed to reward creators like you for producing engaging and original content. To be eligible, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and have accumulated at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Meeting these initial requirements is your first step towards earning rewards for your creative work on the platform. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, applying is straightforward. Open your TikTok app, navigate to your profile, and tap the three lines or dots to access Creator Tools. From there, select Creator Rewards Program. You will then be guided through a simple application process, which typically involves agreeing to the program's terms and conditions. Submit your application, and TikTok will review it, usually within a few days. To maximize your earnings, concentrate on producing content that truly stands out. Originality and high production quality are key. Videos that are at least 1 minute long tend to perform better within the program. Aim for content that keeps viewers engaged for longer durations, as this positively impacts your reward potential. Remember to interact with your audience. Their engagement is crucial for your success. After acceptance, you can easily track your progress and earnings within the Creator Tools section of your TikTok app. The dashboard provides detailed analytics on your video performance and estimated rewards. Payouts are generally processed on a monthly basis, and you will need to reach a minimum threshold, usually $10, before you can withdraw your earnings. Ensure your payment information is correctly set up to receive your funds smoothly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.